Welcome to Beautyistic, lovelies. If you've ever wondered how to bring that festival-ready sparkle to your everyday look without feeling like you've gone full glitter bomb, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the Too Faced Disco Crush High Shine Glitter Eye Plus Face Sparkle in the shade Fairy Dust, a creamy, multi-dimensional glitter designed for both eyes and face. Right off the bat, the formula is a soft cream with light-shifting pearls, so it doesn't just sit flat, it reacts to light beautifully, giving a dynamic shimmer that catches attention from every angle. It's labeled as multi-use, so you can layer it on your eyelids, pop it on the inner corner, or even add some sparkle to your cheekbones for that instant glow. The shade Fairy Dust is an opalescent platinum sparkle, which makes it versatile for both subtle and bold looks. Using this in my routine was surprisingly effortless. The creamy texture spreads smoothly and adheres well, so you don't end up with glitter fallout all over your face, a common frustration with sparkly products. I found it worked best applied with a fingertip for precision and intensity, although a small synthetic brush also delivers a softer, diffused shimmer. The sparkle really does come alive under different lighting, which makes it ideal for evening events or photography. That said, layering too heavily can make it feel slightly tacky until it sets, so a light hand is key. One thing I absolutely appreciated is how lightweight it feels. Unlike some glitter creams that can feel heavy or stiff, this one almost disappears on the skin while still delivering vibrant shimmer. That said, if you're after a bold, full-on glitter bomb, it might require a couple of layers to achieve maximum impact. Pros: it's versatile, lightweight, and truly reflective, making it easy to wear from day to night. The texture is smooth, and the shimmer looks multi-dimensional without being overpowering. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, which is a nice bonus. On the flip side, it's not waterproof, so it may fade if rubbed or exposed to sweat for long periods, and heavy layering can feel a touch sticky. When it comes to value for money, this Too Faced product sits at the higher end of glitter creams. But considering the quality of the shimmer, the ease of application, and the fact it's safe for eyes and face, it justifies the price if you're someone who loves multi-use, high-quality glitter products. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, brands like NYX or ELF offer similar glitter creams, though the shimmer payoff and creaminess may not be quite as intense. Compared to other luxury glitter creams on the market, Disco Crush holds its own with its multi-dimensional sparkle and creamy blendable formula. Some competitors offer waterproof or more highly pigmented options, but for everyday wear with a delicate reflective finish, this one excels. The packaging is sturdy and the cream maintains its consistency over time, so it's not just pretty, it's built to last in your makeup bag. If you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Too Faced Disco Crush High Shine Glitter Eye Plus Face Sparkle is a fun, versatile, and beautifully reflective product for anyone who loves a soft yet noticeable shimmer. Whether you're enhancing your eyes, cheeks, or even collarbone for special occasions, it adds that extra touch of sparkle without feeling heavy or overdone. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below with your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. You can find the purchase link in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.